In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an event on Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your site editor to organize your event content, feature it in the right place, and make it easy for visitors to find. Start by logging into Squarespace and opening the site you want to work on. From the main dashboard, open your website so you're in the editor. On the left, open the Pages panel. This is your site's navigation and the hub for all collections and pages you'll use to display event information. In your Pages panel, locate the section you plan to feature on your site, labeled Highlight in this example, and open it. This is a great spot to surface your most important content, like upcoming events or a featured series. Next, open your Group Events area. This is your events collection, where your event items live. Think of it as the master list that powers any event views on your site. Opening it helps you confirm what's already available and how it's organized before you place or promote it elsewhere. If your event involves paid tickets or related products, jump into your store. From there, open your sales page to check the messaging, links, and any calls to action you'll use to drive signups. Then return to store to make sure your products or ticket items are visible, categorized correctly, and connected to the pages where they'll appear. Keeping store and the sales page aligned ensures that when someone clicks through from an event, they land exactly where you want them. Back in your Pages panel, use the search field and type Highlight. This quickly takes you back to that featured section so you can keep your event content front and center without hunting through folders. Now open all events to view the full list. This gives you a clear overview of everything scheduled, including dates, categories, and visibility. Switch to the Highlight category to confirm that the right event is tagged to appear in your featured section. Then return to all events one more time to double-check the overall structure and make sure nothing critical is hidden or unpublished. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Preview your site to confirm layout and links, and view it on mobile to verify readability. If you don't see certain options, it may be due to your template or permissions. Check your settings or consult Squarespace support. And remember to save and publish when you're done so your updates go live. That's it. Your event content is organized, highlighted, and ready for your audience.